Hey there, Rockstar. Let's talk about something that touches every single part of our lives. It's a topic that can feel scary, overwhelming, a little taboo. I'm talking about money. Money isn't the big, bad wolf. It's simply a tool. It can help you build the life of your wildest dreams. You have the power to change your relationship with money, starting right here, right now. It doesn't matter what your past looks like. Today is a brand new day. Your financial future is a blank canvas. Think of your financial life like a garden. Maybe you let the weeds grow. Maybe you didn't know what seeds to plant. Maybe you didn't know how much water they needed. That's okay. We've all been there. Today we're grabbing our gardening gloves. We will tend to our garden so it can flourish. This isn't about restriction. It's about empowerment. It's about freedom, choices, and peace of mind. The habits are simple. Not Wall Street wizardry. Small, practical steps anyone can take. You already have what it takes. Let's take that first step together. Chapter 1. Change isn't a mountain. It's a single step. I want you to really hear this. Everything is figure-outable. That includes your money. It doesn't matter if you have a shoebox full of receipts or the thought of checking your bank makes you sweat. You are not broken. You are not bad with money. You just haven't been taught the right systems yet. The world doesn't give us a manual. We have to learn it, and it's simpler than you think. It's about taking one small, manageable step, and then another, and another. You wouldn't run a marathon day one. You build strength over time. Your financial journey is the same. Small actions practiced consistently compound over time. They create momentum to carry you forward. The key is to start small. Start with one thing. Pick the one that feels most doable and stick with it. Those who seem to have it together learned and practiced, probably made mistakes, but they didn't give up. This is a commitment to yourself. Progress, not perfection. Celebrate tiny wins. Start with one habit and build from there. All right, let's dive into our very first habit. This one is the foundation for everything else. Know your numbers. It might feel intimidating, but it's the most empowering thing you can do. You cannot change what you do not acknowledge. Knowledge is power. Get a clear picture of what's coming in and what's going out. You need a baseline. Here's the simple plan. Grab a notebook, open a spreadsheet, or use an app. For 1 month, track every single penny. Morning coffee, that forgotten subscription, a pack of gum. Write it all down. At month end, total your income and your expenses. I was shocked when I tracked my little expenses. It all added up. Seeing it in black and white wasn't punishment. It was illumination. It gave me control. It put me in the driver's seat. This exercise is like turning on a light in a dark room. Knowing your numbers is the first step to your power. You can do this. I believe in you. Now that you have the clarifying power of knowing your numbers, we can move on to a habit that will literally change your financial destiny. It's called pay yourself first. Most of us get paid, then pay rent, bills, cards, groceries, and save only what's left. We flip that script. The first bill you pay is to your future self. Before the landlord, before the electric company, before buying an avocado, pay yourself. It could be 10%, 5%, 1%, any amount that you set aside consistently. If you get paid $1,000, move $10, $50, or $100 immediately into savings. The amount is less important than consistency. Start with a number so easy you can't fail, you can always increase it later. A friend started with $25 per paycheck. After a year, she had $600 and felt motivated to add more. Every dollar you pay yourself becomes a little soldier working for you to build wealth. It funds big dreams, a down payment, travel, or a business, and brings glorious peace of mind. Make it non-negotiable. It's the most important bill you'll ever pay. With your next paycheck, I challenge you. Pay yourself first. Even a few dollars matter. You deserve this. Okay, I know what you might be thinking when you hear the word budget, restriction, deprivation. But reframe it. A budget is a freedom plan. You tell your money where to go. Look at your income and assign every single dollar a job: rent, utilities, groceries, savings. Don't forget pay yourself first as a non-negotiable line item. Also allocate for fun. A couple who felt broke discovered they were spending nearly $1,000 on takeout. They assigned $300 to dining out and redirected $700 toward a house, and celebrated. A budget is living. Adjust it when you overspend in one area and underspend in another. The goal isn't perfection, it's intention. Your budget is your roadmap from now to where you want to be. It freed them to focus on what mattered. Embrace the budget as your trusted ally, your plan for freedom. Make your money work for the life you want. Give every dollar a job. Include fun money so you never feel deprived. Intentional budgeting removes guilt and builds momentum. You can do this. Let's talk about a big one: debt. It can feel like a fire-breathing dragon, heavy and relentless, but you can tame it. Create a clear, actionable debt payoff plan. Face it with strategy, not fear. First step, make a list of every debt, the total, and the interest rate. 2 popular strategies: debt snowball, list smallest to largest, psych wins; debt avalanche, target highest APR, interest saved. Pay minimums on all, then throw extra at your target, whichever method motivates you. A client had $30,000 across 5 cards. We chose the snowball, starting with a $500 retail card, paid off in 3 months. That tiny win fueled her to keep going. 2 years later, debt-free. You don't need a windfall. Make a plan, be consistent, and watch the dragon shrink. Every payment weakens it, reclaiming your freedom step by step. Taming debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Slow, steady progress wins. Start today. You can do this. With each paid bill, you reclaim your life. The dragon gets smaller and smaller. This habit puts your financial progress on autopilot. We get busy, distracted, and our willpower runs out. Automation makes the right choice the default. Set an automatic transfer the day after you get paid. Your pay yourself first happens before you can spend it. Automate bill payments and extra debt payments so your plan runs in the background. Create labeled accounts and schedule transfers to specific goals. Watching them grow is motivating. Automate investments, too. Small regular buys build portfolios over time. Create a financial ecosystem that thrives without constant intervention. Systems beat willpower. Free up mental energy to grow your career or enjoy life. Take an hour this week to log into online banking and set up transfers. Guarantee your progress and remove the potential for self-sabotage. Design life so the right choice is the easy choice. Automate your savings and investments. Enjoy life while your future builds itself. This is one of the smartest, easiest things you'll ever do for your future self. Do it now. Now, this might sound counterintuitive after all our talk about saving and debt, but this habit is crucial. Create space for splurging. A plan with zero joy is destined to fail. Plan for your splurges by building a fun money line into the budget. Every month, allocate a set amount to guilt-free spending. A fancy dinner, that pair of boots, a spontaneous weekend trip, all allowed from your fun fund. Amount doesn't have to be large. What matters is that it exists. A friend felt guilt buying lattes. We created a $50/month latte love fund. Suddenly it wasn't failure. It was planned joy. The guilt disappeared and she stuck to the rest of her plan. Permission to spend is an act of abundance. It makes your financial plan sustainable and fun. Knowing your treat is coming curbs impulsive spending elsewhere. Figure out what brings you joy and budget for it. A smart financial plan makes room for living. When you spend from a fun fund, spend with pure joy and zero guilt. That's sustainable success. We've built a solid foundation. Now the final habit gives the others a purpose. Dream big, plan bigger. Your dreams are the destination and your habits are the runway. Get quiet. Grab a journal. Let yourself dream without limits. Don't edit. Don't worry about the how. Just write it all down. Travel the world, start a nonprofit, buy a home, quit to become an artist. Write every dream down. Get specific. This vision becomes your why. If your sabbatical costs $50K in 5 years, that's about $833/month. Work backward and make a plan. Open a sabbatical account, automate the transfers, and watch the progress. This habit ties everything together. It turns rules into a roadmap to your extraordinary life. When tempted, ask, does this get me closer to my North Star? Give your money a mission. Each dollar saved is an investment in future joy. Honor your dream with a plan. Dream big, then plan bigger. We've covered a lot. I'm proud of you for taking this time. Know your numbers, pay yourself first, build a budget, tame debt, automate, make room for joy, and plan your dream. These 7 habits are a new way of being, tools for confidence, peace, and possibility. Small, consistent actions create massive results over time. You don't have to do it all at once. Start with one habit. Master it, feel the win, then add another. This is your journey. Set the pace that fits you. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Calmer, more in control. Imagine 5 years. Your plan is working, opportunities open, peace of mind grows. Your financial health connects to your creativity, relationships, health, and joy. You are giving yourself the greatest gift, peace of mind. The only thing that matters is the decision you make today. Go build that beautiful life. You've got this.